Here's a plant-forward twist on traditional ramen noodles. This spicy peanut ramen salad with pickled vegetables, edamame, and shiitakes is packed with flavor and plant-based protein. Let's get started by making the peanut miso vinaigrette. Place the peanut butter, vinegar, miso, honey, soy sauce, peanut oil, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil in a blender. Blend until it's a nice smooth consistency. Add in the sambal to taste and set the dressing aside. Now we'll pickle our vegetables. For the pickled shiitake mushrooms, put dried mushrooms in a medium bowl and cover with water. Place a plate on top to keep them submerged. Let the shiitake soak for 1 hour or overnight. Strain the mushrooms, reserving the liquid. Remove the stems, then slice the mushrooms a 1/4 inch thick. Combine the mushroom soaking liquid, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and ginger in a small pot. Add the soaked shiitake and bring to a low simmer. Cook for about 30 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and full of flavor. Let these cool and set aside. Next, we'll make the pickled carrots. Combine vinegar, water, sugar, and salt in a small sauce pot and bring to a simmer. Remove from the heat and pour over the carrots. Let these cool and set aside. Now we're ready to assemble our dish. Place cooked ramen noodles in a large bowl. Add in 1/2 cup of the vinaigrette and gently toss to coat the noodles. Add the cucumbers, shoga, drained pickled carrots, drained pickled shiitakes, cilantro, green onions, edamame, and 1/2 of the peanuts. The peanuts and edamame are great plant-based protein sources that can help reduce the amount of cholesterol and saturated fat in the dish. Again, gently toss everything together. Adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and the pickling liquid from the carrots and shiitakes as needed. To serve, garnish with a drizzle of vinaigrette, green onions, cilantro, and the remaining peanuts. This colorful salad is full of fresh, flavorful bites. It's deliciously satisfying as a side or an entree. Enjoy!